and welcome to Top Luxury Living, the best YouTube channel that takes you into the luxurious lives of the rich and famous from around the world. In this video, we give you a comprehensive inside tour of Cristiano Ronaldo's $1.5 million Spanish villa. Ronaldo was born on February 5, 1985 in Portugal. Cristiano Ronaldo is a professional soccer player who has set records while playing for the Manchester United, Real Madrid and Juventus clubs, as well as the Portuguese national team. He was named after Ronald Reagan, one of his father's favorite actors. Ronaldo was introduced to the game of soccer through his dad, who worked as an equipment manager at a boys' club. Take a look at Ronaldo's Spanish villa and feel free to tell us which part of the house you like the most in the comments section below. Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos on top luxury living. Stay tuned and enjoy the video.